I'm going to demonstrate how to restore files that have been changed or deleted or moved on a server. Some servers do not have this feature. You'll need to check to see if your server does. The feature is called Shadow Copy, and what you will notice is if you right click on a folder, let's say I wanted to there was a file, let's say this file right here, I had overwritten the file and decided that I shouldn't have saved it. I wanted to go back to earlier, let's say 11 o'clock this morning. Okay, so I can go back to the folder itself, and you'll notice restore previous versions. The other option would be properties and then the previous versions. They both take you to the same place. You'll notice there's an open, copy, and restore. If you have previous versions that shows up, then your server has shadow copies, so therefore these functions should be available. And you'll notice here's a schedule. I can go back to today at 1:30 p.m., 10:30 a.m. We said that we wanted to restore back to 11 o'clock, so I would highlight this one here. And I think the simplest thing is just to click on open, because it allows you to open the files live with the changes, or without any changes after the time frame that we just saw, which was 4 hours ago. And then we can open this file, and if it's what we want, we can save it where we want to, or we can just simply copy the file, go here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a test folder called restored version, and then I'll paste it right there. And that has the same file that I did earlier today before I saved it. You can do the same thing if you wanted, if a file had been, or a folder had been deleted. And the only thing is, this is not a backup. It only keeps so many days worth. As you can see, earlier this week, last week, earlier this year, that goes back to 7/20, and a couple weeks ago, whatever. This will vary depending on how much room that you have on your server. So if you run into situations that you need to restore a deleted file, this is the first place to look.